Merry Christmas, guys! Christmas and New Year are just around the corner, and the festive season has started off really amazing for us. So, Cumin, that amazing app from Taj, from where we order food, has come up with the holiday soiree, from where you can actually order yourself some really amazing food. Now, you've got three different options. You've got an European, you've got an Asian, and you've got an Indian section, and you can order for 2 or for 4. And the food comes really amazing, well packed, and as we know, Taj serves out the best of the food and the best of the hospitality. So what we have here are 2 different cuisines that we ordered in. As you know, Indian and Asian are my favorites, and that's what we have ordered. So we're just gonna check out through how much food that we have, and we'll just show you around what we have. So I'm just gonna start off. This is the Chinese section. What we have here is a Mongolian chicken. Along with that, there's some shredded lamb, coriander, and scallion. There's also the 3 flavored, chicken noodles out here. Lots of food that I'm going to be tasting up soon. Also some dim sums and some fried rice. But what's the piece of the cake is to do with this box. You gotta check this box out, guys. It's okay, not this box. Sorry, this box. You've got all the sauces. You've got the mustard sauce. You've got the scallion sauce, you've got the chili oil, and you've got the kimchi and all the amazing desserts right here. You've got the Indian section right here. So the Indian section has a selection of kebabs, obviously cutlery. You've got the section of kebabs right here. I'll show you out. Along with that, you've got a dal, a chicken dish, along with that a veg korma and some amazing breads. So I'm just gonna be tasting all this food. Just stay around and check out what all can you see. So guys, we're going to be trying out the Asian selection from the holiday soiree at which we ordered from the Cumin app. I've got quite a few dishes in front of me, and mind you, this is just a small portion that you're actually gonna get because I just put them all out and I'm just gonna try it out. So what we have here are 2 dim sums. We've got the cheese and mushroom dim sum, and we've got the water chestnut and chicken dim sum. We ordered the non-veg one, obviously, and along with that we've got some mustard sauce and a scallion dip to get into. So I'm just gonna dig into these and let you know how these are. These look absolutely amazing. These have been smelling quite good. I'm just gonna put out the scallion dip right here. I'm just gonna put them in and dig them into my mouth. Now it's got that burst of obviously cheesy flavor which overlaps the mushrooms that are present in it. It's a really amazing way to start off your meal. Along with that, what I'm gonna dig in, something that I really enjoy, and this is something I've had at Taj quite a few number of times. These are the haricot beans which have been cooked with some burnt garlic. These are absolutely crunchy, and the sweetness of the garlic just adds another level to it altogether. See, it's still crunchy. Now for the dips, I've got some chili oil out here. Along with that, some Korean kimchi also out here. And we're gonna try out the 3 flavored chicken noodles. Now this is something that's really interesting and I haven't tried out earlier, but I'm gonna try this out. We've also got a simple rice, a simple fried rice which has got some capsicum in it. So we're gonna try these 2 things out with this shredded lamb and this amazing looking chicken. So let me just dig into both of these and let you know how the food is. Now, one thing that has always made me fall in love with Taj's Asian cuisines, I mean, be it across all the 2 hotels, is the flavors and how it kind of sits on our palate. It's not going to be too bland that you won't find quite less flavors on it, or it's not going to be too much in the Delhi style, fried till crisp. So it's got a good balance of flavors, and that's something that I have always kind of admired. Guys, this holiday season you should definitely order the holiday soiree from the Cumin app. All of these dishes delivered at your home for 2800 rupees only. This is a very awesome deal that I think you should definitely take out. You guys go and order on the Cumin app. I'm gonna dig into some more of these things. The Indian food that we ordered from the holiday soiree at the Cumin app from Taj Hotels. Now we've got a very good selection of items that we have out here. I've not put out everything. Obviously there are going to be a few more items along with this. I'm just going to be tasting a few and letting you know how the food kind of like tastes like. So what we have in front of us are the Gilafi Ghost Seekh Kebab right here, and we have a Sofiani Murg Tikka. Two interesting kebabs right here in front of me. I also have the Murg Dum Biryani. Along with that, there's a Tawa Gosht Pyaz Wala, which is right here, and then there's the Machli Sirka Pyaz Lavabdar. This looks quite interesting. I think it's a very North Indian kind of fish dish. I'm gonna try it out. And obviously we've got the Dal Makhni. There's also a veg korma along with it and some breads which we have already eaten. So I can't show you those two. Okay. And we've obviously got desserts. And in the desserts we've got the Gajar Ka Halwa and we have the Rasmalai. So we just gotta dig into some of these things. I told you that I'm just wanted to dig into the fish because it sounded quite interesting. So I'm just gonna taste it out. Quite a subtle hint of spices, but it's quite well rounded and it has got that really good flavor of vinegar which just comes through. Something that's really interesting and you must try out. We're also going to dig into the biryani now. This biryani is really good, guys.